Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be trying out this, well, not trying out because I've already played it. This is probably one of my favourite games that you can get on like iPad, mobile, whatever. And it's called Tornado IO. And yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys it, like, yeah, that makes sense. So we're going to play a few games of these. I haven't played this in time, so I'm not really sure about these maps.
These are new.
Yeah, I'm not sure how long they've been out.
Been out for ages now.
Oh.
I don't know about this
I mean,
one.
I did.
I know the Halloween one has.
Yeah, I did play it when I was shooting the first video. Had a look on it. Still, I don't even know my way around these maps. Second place. Close to first. Oh, now we are.
Lola, when you're first, it says like.
That's the crown, yeah.
Yeah. When you start really small and you don't really get that much stuff, you end up being really small for the whole game.
Yeah, I know. I don't know why, but I always win on these. Yay! Okay guys, so here is our second round. I think we're gonna have like 5 or 3 rounds, I'm not sure. This is like Sugar Rush, is that what it's called? You know, Wreck-It Ralph.
Yeah.
Vanellope's thingy.
This is it.
Yeah, this is like her map.
That's a tiny bit of near the Halloween one.
I've never played this at all.
You can't eat them yet.
Oh my god, this is.
Eat lollipops, you can.
Oh, so like lollipops are like trees or whatever.
Yeah, basically.
Okay, right, so now we've leveled up. Seriously?
You're second.
Okay, now we can eat a bit more. Now I'm just second because
No, you're
I'm
first.
not sure what I can.
You're first.
That's weird. First. Never played this.
Now you can eat them, by the way.
Oh, can I?
Yeah.
But there's loads of trees here.
Trees bottle.
This is exactly Sugar Rush. No, but how big do I have to be till I can eat the cars?
No, you can already eat them. You can eat them on like size 2.
Okay. Okay.
And these sticks are lamp posts.
These lollies. Yeah, I'm definitely staying first. Okay guys, so it is now our final round and time to find out if we can keep our victory.
No, you can move on to now, by the way, when it's counting through. You can. It just says that so they think they
Okay,
can.
right. Can't think we can do it. Alright, there we are, first place.
That guy's trying to catch up. That good.
And go with these. Kill ya. Wait, if you kill people, would it like take them out of the game?
No. Well, I don't even know now.
Because that's what it did
It
to
could
me
have been an
before.
update.
I'm not sure.
It took you out the game when you died, didn't it?
Yeah, did you see that earlier?
Look how
These
small the
woods
trees are
massive.
since when you weren't like that small.
Oh yeah, weird isn't it?
They're super small now.
Okay, right, so looks like it is the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos, and so see you next time. Bye.